is the best medicine. This is an axiom we have all heard at least once in our life. In today's day and age, when pressure and stress seem to be the norm, be it for an adult or an IB student, humor is an essential part of our lives. It allows the release of endorphins in our brains, thus relieving tension.
In a world dominated by social media, it is memes which has taken over this role in our lives. Punchy and humorous, memes are the perfect fodder for an internet culture, shaped by viral sharing and creative participation. Sit back and be entertained as we now have our DP students bring to you their very own creative and innovative interpretations of the IB Diploma program through memorable moments.
Hello everyone. My job today is to entertain you all. And I can't think of a better way of doing that than showing you the true reality behind all this. This is a cover. Trust me, we would love to be this cheerful actually, but let's just get done with the IBDP first. So bear with me as I introduce you to the IBDP from the eyes of an MYP graduate. I've been in the school for over 8 years, and all my life, all I've ever done is IB. PYP, MYP, and then finally this, the IBDP. You know, honestly, IB has been like this hand of God over my head. Beta, international board hai, iske baad life set hai. You know what makes IBDP different from all others? Everything that is out there, that little extra. And no, I'm not talking about some extra higher level thinking. I mean extra subjects. Back in my MYP days, we had this subject called IDU, Interdisciplinary Unit. God knows what it is, I still don't have any idea. Anyways, MYP went well. Thank you, Miss Anshu. And bravely and boldly, I looked at the IBDP and I said,
and I will not be bullied by that.
You know, IBDP came to me as a bigger shock than MYP because I realized that IBDP too had some monsters to make life terrible. TOK, IOC, IOP, FOA, a couple of IAs for every subject. Wow. Imagine what the scene would be like at the IB headquarters. Hey, why don't we make our own board? Oh yeah? How do we make it different? Well, let's add in some extra subjects. Oh, and we should be challenging for the students. You know how we could do that? We could be a little arcane with a couple of abbreviations and words. But you know what? I shouldn't be so critical. After all, the IBDP has given me so much. For starters, the same newspaper that used to take me 5 minutes to read now takes me 40 to 45 minutes to understand. I can't understand the damn thing without underlining all those literary terms, listing out the purpose, context, audience, content. Phew! And please forgive me, Ms. Divya. You know, I must take your leave right now. But I sure do hope that I am making you question yourself. Why did I put my kid in IB? Think about that. And Osmond, am I getting my diploma?
Hello to everyone. I am an IBDP student, as most of you may know, and some things that you really do need to know about me are that I have mastered this ability to complete a semester's worth of homework just the day before it's due. Oh, yeah. You guessed it right. It's the monkey that dances in my head and makes me want to procrastinate. It's the procrastination monkey. You see, my internet history is overflowing with searches like Spark Notes for Shakespeare and Cliff Notes for calculus. And if I'm ever stressed enough, I can type 70 words per minute. Impressive, I say. Recently, I have been diagnosed with quite a severe disorder. I call it the procrastination disorder. See, I'm supposed to start this show and talk about what procrastination really is, but what I will really do is procrastinate the talk. You tell me something that I'm supposed to do, yet I will make sure to do anything other than that one thing you have really asked me to do. It's a gift, really, if you ask me. But honestly, there are times I really wish I did not procrastinate. I mean, I get stressed and depressed when I'm due to start to work. And then I really don't get anything done because I'm all traumatized from my stress and depression. So, well, one day, I decided to tell a friend of mine about this problem. And she told me to go to see a therapist. I was like, wait a minute, why should I pay a stranger to listen to me talk when I can get all of you multiple strangers listening to me talk? I mean, I really hope you all are listening. So this is when I came up with the moment of using this moment between you and me to really share the real horrors of procrastination. So last night, I sat down on my desk and decided to jot down some of my ideas that I really had thought about. It somehow flipping occurred to me, ouch, I really have a dusty desk. I mean, I can't write in my desk all the filth it had. So the smart Arham decided to go downstairs looking for a duster. And you know who do I see? I see a squishy, mushy kitten all alone, playing with a little toy. So of course, I couldn't ignore her, so I had started petting her. I mean, she was adorable, I must say. So I pet her about 45, 50 minutes. And, I mean, have you ever noticed at how fluffy their paws are? Or have you paid little attention of how...
Get on with the script.
Arey? Koi baat nahi? All right. I mean... Have you paid attention at my clothes today? I mean, look at me. I made sure to look perfecto. I do carry quite some sensational exoticism, they call, and a pinch of classicality. Thora time, bhai, Thora time. I mean, look, they are all jealous of my awesome life, huh? Procrastination monkey.
Tough crowd.
Tough crowd. Mike. Research. Research. Such a holistic stimulation of a student's mind to put them on a journey of discovery and exploration, only to find the greatest online citation generator. But on a serious note, research is a core component of the IBDP program, much like one of those 4,000 words long paraphrased essays. IB, for one, ensures that a student's work is nothing more than his own, using its sadistic policy of academic honesty. My introduction to the idea of academic honesty was when I was being introduced to IB itself. Good old days. What a cheerful day that was. I still remember it. A day full of positivity, where for once I thought, this academic honesty policy, it only seems fair. And this self-researched essay sounds like a challenge worth taking. I was so wrong. What a naive little boy I was then. It was only when one of those teachers introduced me to Turnitin that everything that I have just said changed. Oh well, had to be changed, for it was covered in red spots. But let's not dwell on those. For a DP student, research is no more a dignified task than a simple string of paraphrased paragraphs with 12 font, double text, in-text MLA citations. Conducting a research in DP is very important. But sure, it puts things into perspective. It brings forth the question, the dilemma, the existential crisis, whether to pick a primary source or secondary, qualitative or quantitative, verbatim or paraphrase, standard deviation or bell curve, a graph or a pie chart. That's a lot. Well, whatever it is that you do, and you really do it, without simply collapsing from sleep deprivation or running out of coffee, then you, my friend, would have come out a true survivor.
Do you see that child right there? So calm, so serene, lives without any worry. That was me once. And that is me now. Yes, that octopus. IB not only makes you knowledgeable or inquisitive or eligible for a good international college, it also has the capability of converting humans into an octopus. So what is it that makes me an octopus, I hear you ask? Well, you guessed it. It's the 8 hands which help me multitask. Legend says that at a given point of time, an IB student is not capable of thinking about only one thing. For example, when I'm playing football, I'm thinking about my upcoming summatives. When I'm studying late at night for the upcoming summatives, I'm thinking about football training in the morning. There is no cure. When I'm in my SAT class, I think about the ACT. When I'm studying for the ACT, I think about the SAT. And this is while I'm having overlapping thoughts about the IA and EE. And on to the I's and E's, such cute abbreviations. So adorable. But don't be fooled by these 2-letter monsters, because trust me, they're the big daddies of our beloved personal project. At IB, we love doing all of this together. All of this, apart from our 6 subjects, plus the bonus subject, TOK of course. Isn't this lovely? I'm sorry, am I forgetting something? Cass, how can I forget you? Creativity, activity, service, huge words with no implications towards our final grade. So not only am I supposed to do everything I talked about previously, I'm also expected to be creative, active, and to serve the community. But someone smart once said, no pain, no gain. So I hope all this suffering right now will be worth it when I'm in college. But we shouldn't go by his words, because he never really did the IB. Thank you.